Okay.
He told me he should be here, yeah.
Okay.
So here they
So
also
what
have
kind
like
of
a garage.
silos are these? Like I see in many cow farms.
Yes.
So these big silos are
Yeah,
for.
yeah, that's a very old one, made of beton, yeah.
Yes.
Maybe they have not a different one, no.
Okay. So usually they use them to store something?
Yes.
Okay.
If they earn the maize, they cut it
Okay.
and put it inside here.
Okay.
The maize.
Maize, yes.
Yeah, yeah. The whole plant.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. To create a silage.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
For
yeah.
the fodder of animals.
Silage, yeah.
Yes, yes.
This is called silo.
Okay, silo.
Yeah. Silage.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Please.
There is a garage in there. He repair a lot of things
Okay.
by himself.
Okay.
Before, he used to be a mechanic for trucks.
Really?
Yeah, he made this. Oh, no cows are here. Oh,
Maybe they are in the
we
backside.
can go this round.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay. Sure.
I think and upstairs there is always the grass, dried grass.
Okay, dry grass.
For
Storage.
feed. Yeah, storage for
Okay.
feeding. Yeah.
Yes.
Here's now very empty.
These are the
only
headlocks.
The cat is coming.
Okay. Yes.
Ja, wer bist denn du? Young one, huh? I also have two of this.
Really?
Yeah. Is the hübsche, yeah? This one with 5 colors, they are very crazy.
Yes,
we
5
say.
colors.
We say they are very crazy. Yeah, they have horses,
Okay.
but those are just for fun, yeah?
Wow. Quite big one.
Not really.
No, it's big because in India we have our local breeds.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, they might bite. Okay.
Oh, they are small.
Yes.
Feiner Bub bist du. So ein super Bub bist du.
Okay. So they know you.
No.
Okay, really?
Those complex. You are a pig, not a horse. Look at this. Spread all day over my body. Hoi, Charlie do. Oh, ein Hübscher.
खूप मोठे घोडे थे.
I used to ride the horse for
Really?
18 years, yeah. When I was
tractor,
a little bit younger, yeah. Ja, und du bist freche Pony, gell? Dir kann man nicht so ganz glauben.
ते हेडलॉक सिस्टीम्स आहेत. हेडलॉक्स म्हणजे गायींना बांधावं लागत नाही, तर हे ऑटोमॅटिकली ऑपरेट होतं आणि गायी इकडे लॉक होतात. त्यांना फीडिंग करणं, हँडल करणं, धुणं, धारा काढणं हे सगळं सोपं जातं.
That's a good place for the horses because they can go out.
Yes, yes,
by
yes.
themselves.
So they are free?
Huh?
Free all time? They can access
Yes.
the barn?
Yeah,
Okay.
Maybe not all day or not all time. Maybe
Okay.
in strong raining season.
So someone is there, maybe.
Oh yeah. That's my cousin, I believe.
So इकडं सायलेजचा साठा दिसतोय
Here
तुम्हाला.
in the big plastic bag.
Yes, plastic bags. What is it?
Grass. Dried
Okay,
grass.
grass. So it is stored.
Yeah, they
For the
store
winters.
it with the machine. They
Okay.
make these big balls and surround it with plastic.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's also a shade. You make a movie? Not of me.
Just for the information, actually.